welcome back to my channel. Today's look, I'll be using a wig that I received from Ishow hair. I'm trying to get as much affordable looks that I can out for you guys so I can be ready to stay for school, period. But yeah, the wig that I'll be showing you guys today from them is their loose wave lace front wig. It's 150% density. The wig comes pre-plugged and with baby hairs, and the length that I got is 22. Yeah, your wig will be in a plastic bag. I already took mine out, so it's right here. This is what the wig looks like, and let me just say how pretty these curls look. Like, this is so pretty, nice and tight, really soft. I don't even want to run my fingers through it because I really want to keep the curls looking like that, because like I don't want to have to like try to recreate this, because this is so pretty and tight. So cute. That's what the wig looks like. This is what the frontal looks like. Like I said, it comes pre-plucked with baby hairs. This is what the inside looks like. 4 combs, 3 in the middle, 1 on the bottom, and also adjustable straps. I really like the way they plucked this wig. It's like not too much, but it's enough. At least it's enough for me, because you guys know I don't pluck my wigs, so this is like perfect. It comes with like a good amount of baby hairs around the perimeter. This is how you can tell if the lace is good and out. Like, if the lace is stretchy, that's how you know that it's bomb. So I'm about to go ahead and cut this lace off, apply the wig so I can see what she looks like on my head. So this is what the wig looks like on, and it's so cute. These curls, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I really want to keep these curls, so I'm trying not to mess them up too much, because they just look so perfect to me. So hopefully I keep them looking like that. I'm probably just gonna clean up the front a little bit, but this is what the wig looks like, and it's really full. The hair is really soft. The curls look super pretty. It's no parting in this wig, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm probably gonna do a middle part, side part, I don't know. We'll see what I'm feeling with this hair. It's gonna look super natural once I'm done with it. Yeah, this is what the wig looks like or whatever. This is so freaking pretty, you guys. Honestly, it's so cute and flowy, bouncy. These curls are everything. I'm trying so hard not to mess them up, but yeah, I'm about to go ahead and complete this look. I'm pretty much just going to clean up the curls, because honestly these curls are already so pretty to me. I don't want to do anything else. I don't want to mess it up. I'm just gonna like try to clean it, and that's gonna be pretty much it. So let me go ahead and finish up this look. I will talk to you guys once I'm done. so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This look was literally so quick. Hold on, I got hair in my lip gloss. Don't y'all hate when that happens? But this look was literally so easy and quick to achieve because I already loved the way the curls were looking. So all I pretty much did was clean up the curls in the front and it looked so good. I also did my baby hairs, blended the lace. As you guys can see, it looks super natural. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in this wig, make sure you check out Ishow hair. I will leave their link down below and also the link to this wig. I'm literally so obsessed and this is like the perfect back to school wig because this look literally took me 10-15 minutes to do. So if I could do it, you could do it too. And make sure you guys check out Ishow hair. Once again, I will have their links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.